Imagine you're traveling abroad, and you need to send money home to your family or friends. What if there was a way to do it instantly, securely, and with minimal fees? That's where Beam Wallet comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam Wallet to answer the burning question: can you transfer money internationally with this cryptocurrency wallet? Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet that uses the Beam blockchain. It's known for its fast transaction speeds and low fees. But can it handle international transfers? Let's break it down. Beam, like many cryptocurrencies, operates on a global network. This means that transactions can be sent and received anywhere in the world. So, theoretically, yes, you can transfer money internationally using Beam Wallet. However, there are a few factors to consider. Exchange rates. When you transfer money internationally, you are essentially converting one currency to another. The exchange rate can fluctuate, affecting the amount you receive. Regulations. Different countries have different regulations regarding cryptocurrencies. Some countries may have restrictions or outright bans on cryptocurrencies, which could impact your ability to use Beam Wallet for international transfers. Network congestion. During periods of high network activity, transaction times and fees can increase. This is true for all cryptocurrencies, including Beam. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea, let's look at some real-world examples. Sending money to family. Imagine you're a Nigerian living in the United States. You want to send money to your family back home. Using Beam Wallet, you can convert your USD to Beam, send the Beam to a Nigerian Beam address, and your family can then convert the Beam to Naira. Paying for goods and services. You could also use Beam Wallet to pay for goods and services from international sellers. For example, if you find a unique item on an online marketplace that only accepts Beam, you can use your Beam Wallet to make the purchase. Security and privacy. One of the biggest advantages of using Beam Wallet for international transfers is its focus on security and privacy. Beam uses a privacy-enhancing technology called Mimblewimble, which helps to protect your transaction data from prying eyes. So, can you transfer money internationally with Beam Wallet? The answer is yes, but it's important to consider factors like exchange rates, regulations, and network congestion. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and private way to send money internationally, Beam Wallet is definitely worth exploring. Want to learn more about Beam Wallet and how it works? Check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cryptocurrency content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.